Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of wanted to give you all something different, so here is a client tutorial, and I'm starting off with her brows as usual. Now I will note that this video is a bit out of focus. I didn't realize it until I started editing this video, but we will get through it and we will make it through it. So I'm just filling in her brows. She has pretty thick brows already, so I'm just filling in any sparse areas, and then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12 just to clean it up. I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. Like I've said previously, it is not my favorite primer on its own unless I mix it with something. I'm taking this beautiful purple shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and packing that on her outer corner and bringing it into her crease. Next, to buff out that purple shade, I'm using that same pink shade in that palette and just using that to blend out and soften up that purple. Next, I'm cutting her crease using that same P. Louise base. Next, just to give it a nice transition, I'm taking that same pink shade that I used to blend out that purple and just placing it in the center. Going in with this beautiful shimmery pink shade from Naked Cosmetics. Next, I'm just lining her eyes using my LA Colors liquid eyeliner, and it's in the shade Black. Next, I popped on some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in Chiffon, and as you can see, I'm just doing her foundation here. I did mix 2 shades. Now I'm just contouring her face. Here I'm just taking my beauty blender just to soften that contour up a little bit. I am highlighting using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10 and C12. Next, I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender, and the beauty blender is damp. Next, just to set her under eye, I'm lightly taking my Airspun loose powder in the shade Honey Beige, and then I'm going over it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 128, just because the Airspun powder can leave a white cast sometimes. Next, to set her face, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Warm Sand. To bronze up her face, I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics Glamorous Blush Palette, and there is a shade in there that works best for her contour. And here I'm just setting those areas. Next, I'm taking those same 2 shades, the purple shade and the pink shade, and just running it underneath her eye. Here I'm just applying her blush. I did mix 2 blushes together. These are my favorite 2 to mix together in this one palette, and I love shimmery blushes. They do something so beautiful for the skin, and I love applying those and then applying my highlight. It's just it gives you that glow, you know. And speaking of glow, I'm applying her highlighter now using the Ibby or Ivy Beauty Radiance Glow highlighter. Next, I'm just lining her lips using a concealer. This is my favorite little method to do. I feel like the lipstick lasts a little longer. Next, I'm taking one of the shades of lipstick from the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair Liquid Lipstick. It's a pink shade. Next, to give her lips a little pop, I took my NYX Butter Gloss and just put gloss on her lips. Next, I'm setting her makeup completely using my Urban Decay setting spray. And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoy these client tutorials, please let me know. I will keep them coming for y'all. I really love and enjoy doing client tutorials. It's all about having fun, keeping it fun, nothing too boring. So please let me know and I will keep them coming. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.